There is something new that I think is super exciting, it has tremendous potential. I'm not sure how well it's going to work right now. And that is one of the new options is to have a member directory, which I think is fantastic. I think a lot of people wanted something like this, and I'm the only member. So, a couple things with the member directory. It will show if they opt in. So first of all, your members, and guess what? If you granted people free offers like mini courses for an opt-in or something like that, they're considered a member because they have a login. If they agree to be added to your directory, they're going to show up. At this point, I don't know of any way to limit your member directory to just a set group of people. You know what I'm saying? So if I'm going to open this up so you can take a look at it. So in the member directory, and I guess if I click on, I'm not going to see anything because I don't really. Well, it's going to show, and it actually does show my social media. They can share their social media links in their profiles. So that's something to keep in mind. And I noticed when I did mine in the beta test, it showed everybody. So if I have people who opted in for my free resource library, they were showing as members as well. So I don't know if that's a good or bad thing, frankly. So the option is you don't have to have that in your navigation. So again, with all the customization that we can do, I can choose not to show a link list that is my member opt to not show this link list, or remove the member directory from it. So like I said, I see great advantages to having a member directory, but I would prefer to be able to see it only for people that have purchased a specific product.